And do you know what era your mom grew up in?
Yeah, my mom was born in 1944. Yeah.
So already an era that it was somewhat uncommon for people to be speaking Yiddish in the home. And
yeah, and I know they definitely stopped speaking as much Yiddish because when my grandfather came over during like the first Red Scare, so there was already a lot of like backlash against like Jewish communities and German communities too. So my grandma's family, like speaking German was something that like they had to like put aside. And then I know my grandfather was kind of like resistant to Yiddish because he was not even first generation. He wasn't born here, and he was trying to assimilate. And then by the time my mom came around, like they were speaking Yiddish at home, but then when she was like a teenager, it was like McCarthyism, and like it became even harder to be Jewish again. So like they didn't really want to. I don't know. It became more of like a burden to speak Yiddish and keep up German and stuff like that. So I think that's one of the big reasons why it's like been watered down so much in our family.